Cayenne pepper is more than just a spicy addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse of herbal medicine with a rich history of health benefits. Known for its active compound, capsaicin, this vibrant spice can boost metabolism, relieve pain, and even support heart health. As we dive into the world of herbal remedies, it's essential to recognize the importance of natural solutions for our overall wellness. Understanding how cayenne pepper can enhance your health not only empowers you to make informed choices, but also encourages a holistic approach to well-being. So, let's explore the incredible benefits of this fiery herb and how it can transform your health journey. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Cayenne pepper has a fascinating history that traces back to Central and South America, where it was first cultivated by indigenous peoples. Traditionally grown in regions like Mexico and the Caribbean, this vibrant spice was not only a culinary staple, but also revered for its medicinal properties. Ancient cultures utilized cayenne pepper to treat various ailments, from digestive issues to pain relief, showcasing its significance in herbal medicine. As explorers and traders introduced this fiery spice to Europe and beyond, its popularity soared, leading to its widespread use in kitchens and apothecaries around the world. Today, cayenne pepper is celebrated globally for its flavor and health benefits, making it a beloved ingredient in many cuisines. Cayenne pepper is not just a flavorful spice. It boasts an impressive nutritional profile packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Key components include vitamin A, which supports eye health, and vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. Additionally, it contains minerals like potassium and manganese, which play vital roles in maintaining bodily functions. The star of cayenne pepper's nutritional makeup is capsaicin, the compound responsible for its heat. Capsaicin is linked to numerous health benefits, including pain relief and improved metabolism. Together, these nutrients make cayenne pepper a powerful addition to your diet, enhancing both flavor and health while promoting overall wellness. Cayenne pepper offers a multitude of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your diet. One of its key advantages is its ability to aid digestion and boost metabolism, thanks to capsaicin, which stimulates digestive enzymes and promotes fat burning. Additionally, cayenne pepper is known for its potential role in pain relief and inflammation reduction, making it a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Furthermore, this fiery spice supports cardiovascular health by improving circulation and helping to lower blood pressure. By incorporating cayenne pepper into your meals, you can harness these benefits, enhancing both your health and overall well-being. Cayenne pepper is a versatile spice that can elevate a wide range of dishes with its distinctive heat and flavor. Commonly found in cuisines such as Cajun, Indian, and Mexican, it enhances everything from spicy chili and curries to salsas and marinades. Its ability to add depth and warmth makes it a favorite for seasoning meats, vegetables, and even soups. When using cayenne pepper, it's essential to start with a small amount, as its heat can quickly overpower a dish. Gradually increase the quantity to achieve your desired spice level. Additionally, pairing it with ingredients like garlic or lime can balance its heat and create a more complex flavor profile. While cayenne pepper offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential precautions and side effects. Individuals with gastrointestinal issues, such as ulcers or acid reflux, should avoid using cayenne pepper, as it may exacerbate their conditions. Additionally, some people may experience allergic reactions or sensitivities, leading to symptoms like skin irritation or digestive discomfort. To ensure safe consumption, it's advisable to start with small amounts and monitor your body's response. Generally, incorporating up to 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper into your daily diet is considered safe for most people. However, if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions, consulting a healthcare professional before use is always a wise choice. In summary, cayenne pepper is a remarkable spice that not only enhances the flavor of various dishes, but also offers a wealth of health benefits. From aiding digestion and boosting metabolism to providing pain relief and supporting cardiovascular health, its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any diet. We encourage you to consider incorporating cayenne pepper into your meals to experience its unique taste and health advantages. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who are interested in herbal insights. Together, let's explore the incredible world of natural remedies and enhance our well-being.